Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video, but like I've already taken it out of the box. I've already unwrapped it because this is my second attempt at this, so I'm very sorry. Yeah, it's Mingi's birthday MD, his vinyl. So here is the front. It's very cool. It's lenticular. It looks really cool. Yeah, that's the front. The side. Ooh. And the back. And everything is in here. So it comes with like 2 photo cards. I forget what else, to be honest. There's a possibility of getting a Polaroid, but the odds are very low because it's like 10 Polaroids in the pre-order, so yes. Anyway, so I'll look at these in a second, but here is the vinyl. I want to look at this first. Oh, it's just black. That's kind of boring. I don't know. I was expecting it to be colorful. But yes, that's the vinyl. Also, I did get a new phone, so hopefully the video quality is okay. This is my first video, so don't know how it is, but yes. So this is the QR. I don't want to show the QR, so yeah, that's the QR. I think to download the music, I'm not 100% sure. And then here are the 2 photo cards. They're very cute. Like, hello. I love them. Like, they're both so good. They're so good. Is it loading? Loading. Focusing. There we go. I can speak English sometimes. So yeah, those are the photo cards and the QR thingamajiggy. Yes, and then you get these postcards, I guess. Okay. So here's this one. Directed by Mingi. This feels like forever ago, because it was forever ago. I love the styling. He looks so good in this one. And last one. So there's no lyrics or anything that I can see. Yeah. I think maybe this is like the number, because like, I don't know. I don't know actually. Like the number of vinyl, it might be. I don't know. Not sure. But yeah, quick unboxing. Not much in here, but it's cute. I do like it. I do collect vinyls, so I am happy to have this. Yes. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Until my next video. Bye.